Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be coming on your way on this wonderful platform. Wow. I want you to journey with me today as we travel to Nyanga for Pastor's Seminar. So, we are going to Nyanga for Pastor's Seminar. Hey, please guys, pane dombo rakarohwa screen yangu iyo haimboitai mudeme munditengero screen. All right, so we are journeying to I don't know. Journey with me to Nyanga for our pastor's seminar. I'm traveling with my wife. Look how beautiful Nyanga Road is. If you have never been to Nyanga, you are missing a lot. So Saturday do pakatanga seminar but Manero, and Saturday I was ministering in Mashava in Masvingo there. So I had to drive back home to Rusape and Afrika Kumba around 12 midnight, and I had to sleep so that we wake up early Sunday morning to end up Nyanga so that we don't miss our second session. Saka, you know how it is with women. But fun enough, my wife not we are going somewhere or we are driving somewhere far. 2 days before, she makes sure kuti arongedza mabag ake 2 days before. Asi kana taka kuti ngati chibudai apabudiki pamba pacho. I don't know what's happening. Ameno kana zviri kwenyu. But anyway, I love her like that. So we're going for pastor's seminar in Nyanga. It was a moment of rest, a moment to reflect, a moment to learn, you know. It was just an amazing experience with other servants of God. There is a different energy when you are with other spiritual leaders where you are not ministering but you are being ministered to. It is just amazing. I tell you, the feeling is just amazing. We learned a lot of things. We had fun. We laughed. We had to share a meal together as pastors. It was just kutopererwa chako because techingoonana kuti uyu ari uko, uyu ari kuparidza ari uko, uyu ari kuparidza ari kukaroi, uyu ari kuparidza ari kuchinoi, uyu ari kuparidza ari kwanyika, uyu ari kuparidza ari kuharare, but patinombosangana. So wow, it's just an amazing feeling, and we learn even from each other. Yes, unotanga kutobvunzawo kuti kwapa muri kupafambisa sei, zviri kufamba sei. It's just an amazing moment. It's just an amazing moment. So my wife and I enjoyed the drive. Look how beautiful Nyanga is. It is just amazing. Nyanga is beautiful. Kana usati wamboenda kuNyanga, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot, I'm telling you. You need to go to Nyanga. You need to go to Nyanga. Apa tanga tatopa Troutbeck Hotel. Now we are getting close to Troutbeck. We are not yet there, sorry. But look how beautiful those trees are. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. Nozi him yatinoti ndinosha miswa kwazvo ameni na basa makuru iwaya akaitiwa newe oseya andorumbidza. Ndiwo ukuru hwaMwari wacho. Nyanga is just a beautiful place, I tell you. So yeah, I think apatarauda kusvika pa Troutbeck Hotel. Yeah, we were getting close to Troutbeck Hotel. Yes, we are now there now. We are there now. So my wife said, no, let's park there so that not all my pictures, vakanzi welcome to Trollbeck. Yes, we had to park so that we get photos, videos. Man, we enjoyed a lot. Hanzi ndikanimbopfeka maglass ndimboona kuti akaita sei. Ndakakufita baby. So our wonderful brother and our sister Apostle Mashiri and his wife. Watayo. Awa ndimichembera. Ndimama wakamanya kanzi ndioga usina kepi papa. Vanhu vese varapa vakapfeka maheti. And it was really cold.
Video.
Wow. Look at the smiles, the joy. Man. Please normalize going out with your families. Please normalize it.
Hello.
Pane kadhanzi kakazorohwa pachipapira ako. Wow. Tata kutopinda zvedu paTrollbeck Hotel. Yeah. Wonderful experience.
Hello, sir. I'm good. Thank you. But it's really not far right, bro. Thank you so much.
Ona. Wow. Ndakabva ndine tip yake. I forgot to give him his tip. Definitely when I go back I have to give him double. Ndofanga kutomuitira something very nice.
What's good, huh? What's happening?
Hey, kaka. Kumbodana nazvo.
What's happening, lobby?
Look at that smile. That smile can cure depression. Vanodanana zvavo. Vakomana ndakanyura vakomana. Zviri kuonekera kuti ndakanyura. Takanyura murume.
Hello guys, I am at Mutarazi Falls. So ndikutofamba kutoenda kunoona what do you call this? Skywalking. Yeah, that's what they call it. My wife, I don't know where she is. She was so excited. She left me. It happens. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ndikangobatwa nechinhu chandisingazivi kuti chabva kupi. Anything can happen. Wow, this is beautiful. And it's getting really, really cold. It's now cold.
Amazing place.
You are going to regret the decision you've made. I am now regretting. Changozvishingisa semurumika. You will not say, ndakutonorwa, but ndakutonorwa. Wow. This is Mutarazi. Saka ndokunobva. Saka ndokwainotangira nditi ka. Yozonodzika kwanditi. Wow. Wow. Ndo Mutarazi River this one. Saka iyo inenge ichibva kupi?
Amazing place. That's Mutarazi River.
Inobva kupi?
Napungwe. Pungwe inobva yaita Mutarazi. Inoti Mutarazi River then Odds. Pungwe inoti Odds rina kwaMutare. Yeah. So Pungwe ndo main river yacho. Inobva muYangani Mountain. Yangani Mountain inobva 3 rivers.
Okay.
But inozobranja Mutarazi neOdds.
Neodds. Wow.
Dzinozoenda kwaMutare.
Inozoenda kwaMutare. Oh, saka yakudzika kudai so. Ndo yakupinda maHonde Valley.
YatoHonde Valley se.
Wow.
YatoHonde Valley.
Wow. Ndiani? Are you enjoying the holiday?
I love this woman.
So,
I love her so much. Saka kudo kunoitwa sky walking. Yeah. Tikatotanga kutoona umwe munhu anga aitofamba ipapo. Urikuona uko. Those falls are just beautiful. Munhu ari uko kumashure kutofamba. Alright, can you do that? If you can, tell me in the comment section. Maybe if you go there, I might buy you a ticket. It's not expensive. It's just $50 for Skywalk. Kudana na zvido wako mana. So that's my mom, my spiritual mom. My spiritual father avatete vangu vachitogadzira vachitobetsera mama kutopfeka vari kati toda kutopafamba paSkywalk ipapo. I want to walk there. That's her right there. Look at her. She's walking. She's a risk taker, that one, I tell you. Unoza kune vakadzika are not right. Ukungonzi zvake mukadzi, but she is just something else. My mom is out of this world. Hear it from me. Hear it from me. Can you do this? Write it in the comments if you can. Maybe I might just buy you a ticket when you decide to go to Nyanga. And you must send me proof that I'm already in Nyanga now. And then I'll buy you that ticket. Ufamba, if you can. Saka waifamba waienda nepadenga but wodzoka waizodzoka nekusasa. There she is, she's big. Wakafara wakati wow.
Mune muri one.
Ndanza hapana kana munhu unochemera kuti hey mindibatsirewo. I think when I go back next time I have to do it as well. I have to do it. Ndinotoziya asingatombofi akaita izvozvo. It's my wife. No, she can't do that. She can't do that. She's afraid of heights. She's afraid of heights. That's my mom and my wife there. Thank you, mommy, for always making my wife smile like this. Mazorana mai wangu mune mjungoseka, I tell you. Mom and dad. The man of God, Apostle Mashiri, Pastor
Yes,
Chandra.
Baba.
He's a great man of God.
Zvakanaka kuva pano. It's nice to be here.
Zvakanaka kuva pano.
Hanzi umunandi kuva lapha.
Hai mbodana naye
Pastor
ndo.
Mandizvidza imwe. Hai, vanodana naye vanhu. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, you subscribe. This was my first vlog. Hands we judge you, hands we see but we don't judge. Please don't judge me. I will improve next time. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you and I'm praying for you. Please make sure you comment, you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.